Good morning, millionaires, and welcome to another episode of
InvestTalk,
where we feature the best properties in the Philippines.
Talk about trends about real estate.
and tackle the best deals that you can get.
First of all, we would like to thank you guys for watching our previous video, which is what's inside Uptown Bonifacio. I hope that you really enjoyed that.
But before anything else, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and share this video to more millionaires.
And today, we will be going to McKinley West.
That's right, Betty. McKinley West is one of Megaworld's township that is located in Fort Bonifacio. It has a lot of development within the area.
And one of it is our pre-selling project called Park McKinley West.
So what are we waiting for? Let the tour begin.
I'm Bettina of Ignite Prime Properties. So I'm here inside McKinley West. It is where other residential project of Megaworld is located. And here we have the Albany. It is an ultra high-end residential condominium with high-end facade and top-notch amenities. And also we have San Moritz and McKinley West Village, and also the newest pre-selling condo here is Park McKinley West.
That's great to hear, Bettina. Now that we know that McKinley West is a livable area, as you can see, let me tackle the working environment here. By the way, I'm Benedict Puno from Ignite Prime Properties. So behind me are the offices in the area, like Deliverables, Performance, and McKinley West is just near international schools like Enderon, Mint, and the more. This just means that it is a workable area where you can study as well and learn in McKinley West. What you got there, Jason?
This is the newly opened McKinley Whiskey Park, which brings a whole new whiskey experience to patrons through a curated selection of whiskey products and concoctions, along with a wide array of food choices, games, and entertainment that can all be enjoyed in an open-air setting. This is the first outdoor liquor park in Asia. This brand new leisure destination is situated inside the 34.5-hectare McKinley West Township and across McKinley Hill in Taguig City. It features 3 major zones, a sprawling main ground, a quiet zone, and an activity zone, and houses a dedicated craft bar as well as food outlets and its very own whiskey shop.
Hi millionaires, this is Andrea of Ignite Prime Properties. Expressways and flyovers, that's cute. Well, I am here to tell you that we are paying very close attention to the newest Metro Manila subway project, which is an improved public transportation system that will help the traffic jam here in Metro Manila.
The Metro Manila subway will be connected to the LRT1, MRT3, and MRT7 rail lines via North Avenue's upcoming Grand Common Station. The LRT2, meanwhile, will be connected to the project through the Anona Station. North-South commuter railway lines, meanwhile, will be connected to the Metro Manila Senate DepEd and FTI stations in Taguig and Parañaque, respectively. As of October 2022, partial operations are expected to start in 2025, with the project expected finish in 2028.
How about you, Jared? What's up?
Thank you, Andrea, for the update of Subway Station. Hi, millionaires! I am Jared Magnagi, your property specialist from Ignite Prime Properties. And behind me, Park McKinley West. So I'm here in the the township of McKinley West, where the Park McKinley West is located. So Park McKinley West has 4 towers. So we have Tower A, B, C, and D. Tower A and B will be turned over by 2024. Tower C will be turned over by 2025, and Tower D will be turned over by 2026. So, what's good about this project is it has own mall, or the Bi-Level Mall. Actually, this will be the biggest indoor mall here in McKinley West. So, aside from that, if you're going to invest here in Park McKinley West, around the area will be the target market. International offices, schools, and other buildings are located inside the township of McKinley West.
And that's a wrap for our McKinley West tour. Talaga namang napakagandang tumira sa McKinley West, right?
Agree. It's more peaceful, exclusive time.
And I'm looking forward for the Park McKinley West Mall kasi pagkababa mo may groceries na agad and so many restaurants in the mall.
Plus, it will be the longest indoor mall here in Fort Bonifacio.
Talaga namang napakadami pang development within the area, right?
So if you're looking for a home or for investment, we still offer no down payment terms in Park McKinley West.
To know more about the details of Park McKinley West, you can comment down below or you can message us through the details provided below. I'm Andrea.
I am Ben.
I'm Bettina.
I'm Jason and we are
Ignite Prime Properties, igniting brighter futures.